There's also a quality of the color of the land in not all of Palestine, but in some of it, and in Lebanon too, is this kind of reddish, um, almost, it's not blood colored. It's deep burgundy that is extraordinary when it's tilled, and when the rain has fallen. That's amazing. I think that the sounds of the trees in Palestine and the Middle East have a very special sound, which I remember very much when we lived in Beirut at the time. Now it's all completely built up, but we lived near, as I said, near the refugee camps, but that was on the outskirts of the city, and next to us there was this amazing pine forest. These very old, high pine trees, which I'll never forget the sound of.